Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt, the author of Te Reo Singalong books. One of our most recent books is Ngā Āhua, which is about shapes, and it also has several words in there for body parts. In this example, he manawa ōku mati. My fingers make a heart, and the girl in the picture is demonstrating her fingers making a heart. He manawa ōku mati. So let's look at he tapatoru ōku ringa. My arms make a triangle. He tapatoru ōku ringa. So you could actually change that and use your fingers to make a triangle. So that would be he tapatoru ōku mati. With this book, the different pages have lots of different ways that you can use them. And on the opposite page, we'll give you one example of this. On the diamond page, each page encourages you to count as well. So if we want to say, let's count something, we say, me ko te ngā, and on this page it's, let's count the diamonds. Me ko te ngā taimana. And you could also count anything else. Let's count the cats. Me ko te ngā ngeru. Let's count the hats. Me ko te ngā pōtai. So there's lots and lots of things you can do with the pages of Ngā Āhua outside of the book. Ka kite.